Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I am Lahari and video for today is this beautiful smoky eye look which is really easy by only using two products. Yes, so let's get started. So as you all know, we need to moisturize our skin. Now I'm going to use only two products, lipstick and kajal, to complete this look. Now let's start with doing our base, that is priming and then foundation and concealer. You can definitely go based on your choice whether you want to do a base or not. Now for my foundation, I'm going to use this NYX foundation, which is really good foundation guys. It can give you that sheer coverage. And for concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now blend them all really well. Now I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Concealer to just highlight the areas like near my eyebrows and under my eyes. As we are going for a smoky eye look, we need that highlight for our eyes. Now to set our base, we're going to use this Fit Me Loose powder. Just tap it on all around the areas where you have applied concealer so that it will set your base. Now let us do our eyebrows. I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil to just fill in my eyebrows. Also, I'm going to take this little brush kind of thing to just, spread it all around. Also guys, if you want to make your eyebrows look natural, then you can take a cotton pad and just, rub it all around your eyebrows and they will look superb. Now as I told you, I'm going to use two products. So I'm going to take that same eyebrow pencil and use it as a kajal. And just place it around my lid to create that smoky eye thing, and then I'll blend it out later. You can use any eyebrow pencil or a kajal you have at home and just place it under your eyes on the waterline and above your lid. Now take this small angled brush and blend it really well. Don't worry if you don't have any brush, then you can obviously do with your fingers as well. And try to create that eyeliner thing because I'm not going to use eyeliner. It looks really light in the camera, but in real it is really dark. You can obviously make it dark or light based on your choice. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to do the same for your other eye as well. And you can see the difference. It looks really elegant and it will be perfect for Diwali. You can just blend it as much as you can so that it will not place a harsh line. This look is really easy and super simple guys. You should definitely give this one a try for this Diwali. Now to just highlight my smoky eye, I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer. It's completely optional. Now for blending my smoky eye, I'm going to use this brush, and my brush already has an eyeshadow on that, so I didn't saw that one. But if you have an eyeshadow, then you can definitely give it a try. So I'm removing all the color that I got because of that brush, and now it looks normal. Yeah, so that's how I did my smoky eye, and now I'm gonna blend all the powder that I had before. Now for my blush, I'm going to use a lipstick. You can use any lipstick of any shade you have at home. Red will be really great. Now for my blush, I'm going to use this Nude Nuance lipstick. It also works as contouring because it's in brown shade. And you can see what a difference contouring make. And if you don't use contouring, then you can definitely go with a red lipstick for your blush. Because I like pink blushes, I'm going to use this red lipstick from Darling Isabella. Place it all around your cheek area where you want that blush, also on your nose and chin, that is really your choice. Now just to give that shine and make it blend really well, I'm going to use Vaseline. Take a little bit amount of Vaseline and place it on the blush and just blend it. And you can definitely see the difference. Do give this one a try. Trust me, it will make all the difference. You should definitely try this one. This will make you look awake, fresh. If you're someone who don't use highlighter, then go with this one. Now for my lips, I'm going to use this Lakme lipstick in the shade Crushed Caramel. It's a really nice brick or terracotta shade. This step is completely optional. If you have a mascara, then go for it, and if you don't have, then it's okay. Just a lipstick and a kajal will do the magic, guys, as I have shown you before. Wait for the final look. And yeah, we are done, guys. I just used two products, that is kajal and lipstick, to enhance this look after my base. And as I told you, base is completely optional and it's a really easy look for your Diwali. And just in case if you have an eyeshadow palette, then let me show you how can you even more enhance your look after this. So take that pink or peach shade that you have on your eyeshadow palette and place it on your cheek as a blush. If you don't have an highlighter palette, then don't worry, it's absolutely okay. You can go with your eyeshadow palette and take that shimmer shade on your eyeshadow palette and use it as an highlighter. That's it. Now that's it for the look, guys, and if you want you can stop it here, otherwise then go overboard like me. So I just felt like doing my eyes again, like giving that base, because I have done it. So I'm going to use that bronze and brown shade which matches my lehenga and place it on my crease. And I'm also doing my inner corners. I used to never do inner corners, but I don't know why lately I've been loving doing it. And yes, finally we are done with our makeup. I have shown you two kinds of makeup. One is by using only two products, that is a lipstick and a kajal. And next one is how to enhance it. It's completely your choice which one you want to choose. Now it's a hairstyle time. I'm going to use this Mang Tika. It looks really pretty. And just middle part my hair and just twist it. I think this hairstyle will be really appropriate for your Mang Tika. I'm just twisting my hair and adding some other sections and just twisting all around and then securing it with a clip. Now do the same for your other side as well, and that's it, you're done with your hairstyle. And here is our final look, guys. Hope you guys like this makeup look, and this is the last makeup look for Diwali series. And we are coming with much more interesting and creative videos, so stay tuned for that. And let's see the results. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.